Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go on a trip. I'm going to LA for the very first time. So I'm kind of like shooting this vlog to be like a maintenance vlog. So y'all are gonna come with me as I get my nails done, my hair done, you know the works. We're gonna get like prepared for the trip, sis. So y'all need to just keep on watching. I'm going to get my nails done right now, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. That's like the first order of business. But yeah, we gonna glow up in the next 48 to 72 hours. I promise you we will look crispy at the end of this. I promise you we won't. So guys, I got to my appointment. I'm like 5 minutes early, and that's fine because it starts at it's supposed to be 4:30. Now it's like 4:25. And guys, I went all the way to like Oakland to get my nails done, and that's like far from my house. That's like 30 minutes from my house just because they do it really good. So I'm at Nail Illusion and Beauty Spa. That's the name. Yep, Nail Illusion and Beauty Secrets. Oh, my bad. But they do the nails really good, so we finna go. I'm getting my nails done finally. See the difference? Because them little things that I had going on was not working out. So this is the shape, and the length is really like long versus my other nails. Well, I always get long nails, but these are just like, that's just mad long. See that? So I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. But we getting there. We're getting there. Major drip drip drip. Oh, your shirt says at major underscore drip. Y'all better go follow her like right now.
Please. I'm
gonna leave off her info down in like my description box so y'all can check her out if you're in the South Florida area. So yeah, why'd you do this to me? I'm gonna be on here just like this. What's going on?
Oh my god.
Guys, my nails is not yet done. It's not like done, but sis, those got me out here feeling like a whole different person. And my camera is being disrespectful. It's not focusing because I have this mask on. Damn. And it's OD acting up. This. Oh.
Yeah. I only gotta put stones on, that's it. Okay, wash out.
Guys, come on. Like, what?
You won't be here tomorrow?
What to do? I'm gonna be acting brand new. Just so you know, this is your notice. Because these nails, these are fire, okay? And they super long, so I really don't know how to act. So if I'm acting up, you know why. You definitely know why. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of me getting ready for my trip. I'm going right now to get a wax at this place called Sweet Cookie Spa. It's in Fort Lauderdale. They're really good over there, so I'm gonna go get a wax, and I'm gonna get like a VagiSteam. Like they be doing that. That's really good for your vagina, so I'm gonna get one of those. And yeah, that's what I have planned right now. I do have to run to the mall because I want to go to Forever 21 to grab like some little like accessories or whatever. So that's my plans for right now. I haven't done my hair yet. Hey guys, so I'm at Sweet Cookie Spa. It's so cute in here. It's like super cute. This is where they have their products, you know. And I'm waiting for my wax, and look, I got a glass of wine. They so fancy. Like they so fancy. Girl, it's so cute in here. I love this couch. I just love how it looks in here. It's just like super cute and girly. Like, come on now. Yes. On the steamer, I am getting a VagiSteam, and let me tell you, it's hot. It's so hot. At first it felt super weird, but like now that I've been sitting on it for a few minutes, it feels better. That's like a lot of steam going up in there, girl. I just have to say, this is my first ever steam, and boy, it's interesting. It's interesting. All this heat up in my vagina. Child, is very interesting. Whew. Whew, whew, whew. So guys, I'm on the steamer. I'm on the steaming seat. They give you this cute dress kind of thing. I don't know if it's a dress. So you take your clothes off and you put this on, and it's open. It's like a dress. So all the steam that's coming is kind of, you sit on the seat. The seat is like a toilet seat, and the steam is all up in there. All the herbs are mixed inside, and then you sit down, and then they put a towel over your legs, and then you pull the dress over, so it kind of traps all the steam. Let me tell you, this is hot. My vagina is burning up. It's so hot. Well, it's not really hot, but I'm not used to having steam on my vagina, so it's a different experience. It feels better as I've been sitting on it for a while. I'm kind of getting used to the heat, but we steaming, Lord, we steaming. After this, I'll have my wax, so that's something. Jesus is seated. Hey guys, so I'm going to get my hair done. I'm supposed to go and get my hair braided. I had an appointment for 12:30. You know, it's like 1 o'clock. I'm like way behind because I had to wash my hair. My hair isn't even like dry. It's not really dry, but I'm thinking that it'll air dry by the time I get there. This braider that I'm going to, she's a bit far from me, maybe like 30 minutes. I realized that all the places that I like to go or that I want to go to get services are like 30 minutes because honestly where I live, it's more like, let me see, like up to the kind of vibes. Like they don't really have like the stylists like that here, but like down in like the hood, not really the hood, but like down that side, they have like all the stylists that does like all the things that you want to do. So I'm gonna get knotless braids. Yeah, hopefully my hair dries by the time I get there, but I'm gonna get knotless braids. I'm super excited because I always do my own hair, so if I'm getting braids and someone else is doing it, that's like nice. So I'm gonna go, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog when I get there. I'm gonna show y'all, and I will be recording getting my hair done, so that'll be like in a different video. But yeah guys, let me tell you, this lippy, do y'all think it looks weird? Because I was in Sephora yesterday and the guy convinced me to buy like 3 different nude matte lipstick, and let me tell you, I was saying to him, I don't want to look hungry, neither do I want to look dead, and he was like, oh, this is a perfect nude. Yeah, he was saying that's the perfect nude, but I don't think it's perfect. I think it's kind of purpley. I feel like I kind of somewhat look a little bit, you know, the afterlife. But I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna go return it because I don't really like the color. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm late, so I definitely need to go. I didn't even eat. I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm always hungry, but I'm so hungry. But yeah guys, I'm gonna take y'all, and when I get there, yeah.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. That, baby, me just wanna touch.
Guys, and that's the end of this vlog. I did not make an outro. I'm sorry, I always do that, but guys, my braids looked fire. I did all my services with Black-owned businesses. I'll leave their information all in the description box, so you can definitely check it out if you're in the South Florida area. My wax was by Sweet Cookie Spa. My nails was by at Major Drip, and my braids were by Platinum Braids. I'll just leave everything in the description box so you like support a Black business today. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. my video. I love you guys oh so much. Please leave me a comment. And guys, the Cali vlog is coming soon. I went on a solo trip to Cali. Yes, I did. Y'all gonna see that in a few. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah.